From the streets of Compton to the pinnacle of hip-hop royalty, Kendrick Lamar's journey is nothing short of legendary. A rapper who defied the odds, redefined storytelling in music, and became the first hip-hop artist to win a Pulitzer Prize. But behind the fame, the awards, and the wealth lies a deeper story of resilience, struggle, and unshakable ambition. How did Kendrick Lamar rise from a gang-infested neighborhood to a global icon? Let's dive into his incredible life. Kendrick Lamar is not just a rapper, he is a movement. His music is poetry, his lyrics are a mirror to society, and his influence extends far beyond hip-hop. With a net worth of over $140 million, multiple Grammy Awards, and a Pulitzer Prize, he has cemented his place as one of the greatest musicians of this generation. But Kendrick's success was not handed to him, he built it from the ground up. Unlike many mainstream rappers who flaunt wealth, Lamar keeps a low profile, choosing substance over style. From his early struggles in Compton to becoming a cultural icon, this is the story of Kendrick Lamar Duckworth. Kendrick Lamar was born on June 17, 1987, in Compton, California, a city notorious for gang violence, drugs, and crime. Raised in a tough environment, he grew up witnessing the harsh realities of street life, but unlike many of his peers, he chose a different path. Inspired by Tupac Shakur and Dr. Dre, young Kendrick found solace in music and poetry. His ability to articulate emotions through words set him apart from others. At just 16 years old, Kendrick released his first mixtape, Youngest Head Nigga in Charge, which caught the attention of Top Dawg Entertainment, TDE. Over the next few years, he honed his craft, releasing critically acclaimed projects like Overly Dedicated, 2010, and Section .80 Inches, 2011. These projects showcased his storytelling prowess, diving deep into systemic racism, gang culture, and the struggles of black youth in America. But his real breakthrough came in 2012 with the release of Good Kid, Mad City, an autobiographical masterpiece that painted a vivid picture of his life in Compton. Songs like Money Trees, Swimming Pools, and Bitch, Don't Kill My Vibe became instant classics, and the album went triple platinum. Lamar continued to push boundaries with To Pimp a Butterfly, 2015, an album that fused jazz, funk, and spoken word to deliver powerful messages on race, politics, and self-identity. His next project, Damn, 2017, made history by winning a Pulitzer Prize for music, making him the first rapper ever to achieve this honor. In 2022, he returned with Mr. Morale and the Big Steppers, another critically acclaimed project that explored themes of trauma, therapy, and personal growth. Today, Kendrick Lamar stands as one of the most respected artists in music history, constantly evolving and redefining what rap can be. Despite having immense wealth, Kendrick Lamar is known for his humble and private lifestyle. Unlike many celebrities who showcase their riches on social media, Kendrick prefers to keep his personal life away from the spotlight. He does not chase luxury for the sake of status. Instead, he invests in meaningful experiences and quality over excess. When it comes to fashion, Lamar keeps a minimal yet stylish wardrobe, often spotted wearing brands like Louis Vuitton, Gucci, Off-White, and Nike. However, he rarely indulges in excessive jewelry or flamboyant outfits like many mainstream rappers. His focus has always been on artistry rather than image, a trait that sets him apart from his peers. Despite his low-key nature, Kendrick does enjoy the fruits of his labor. His concerts and world tours are high-budget productions, blending live instrumentation, theatrical storytelling, and mind-blowing visuals that leave audiences in awe. Kendrick Lamar's car collection reflects his taste for luxury and performance, without being over-the-top flashy. Unlike many rappers who fill their garages with Bugattis and Lamborghinis, Kendrick opts for a more classic, powerful, and sophisticated selection. He owns a Ferrari 488 GTB, known for its high speed and sleek design, a Range Rover Sport, which provides a mix of comfort and off-road capabilities, and a Mercedes G-Wagon, a stylish yet rugged SUV. However, one of his most iconic cars is a 1964 Chevrolet Impala, a true West Coast classic that pays homage to the lowrider culture and old-school hip-hop aesthetic. Each of these cars represents a blend of luxury, history, and performance, much like his music. Kendrick Lamar's real estate choices are as reserved and calculated as his personality. Unlike other rappers who invest in multiple lavish mansions, Kendrick has one primary residence, a $10 million plus mansion in Manhattan Beach, California. This home is a modern architectural masterpiece, featuring floor-to-ceiling windows, a private recording studio, a state-of-the-art gym, and breathtaking ocean views. However, what makes Kendrick different is that he doesn't show off his property on social media, keeping his personal life incredibly private. While many celebrities purchase extravagant estates in Beverly Hills or Miami, Lamar chooses locations that offer both luxury and solitude, allowing him to focus on his craft. Kendrick Lamar is not just a musician, he is a voice for the people. His contributions to social justice, education, and community development are immense. He has donated millions of dollars to improve schools in Compton, funding music programs, scholarships, and after-school initiatives. He has been a vocal supporter of the Black Lives Matter movement, using his music to address police brutality, racial inequality, and economic disparities. Beyond financial contributions, Kendrick actively participates in community programs, inspiring young artists and mentoring upcoming musicians. His album, To Pimp a Butterfly, was more than just music. It was a cultural and political statement, challenging systemic oppression and empowering the Black community. His commitment to change is evident not just in his lyrics but in his real-world actions, making him one of the most influential figures in modern music. Kendrick Lamar's personal life is as grounded and disciplined as his career. He has been in a long-term relationship with Whitney Alford, whom he got engaged to in 2015. The couple has 2 children, Uzi and Enoch, and they maintain a low-profile family life, staying away from unnecessary media attention. In terms of achievements, Kendrick is one of the most awarded hip-hop artists of all time. He has won 22 Grammy Awards, a Pulitzer Prize, and multiple BET and Billboard Awards. His influence on hip-hop and the broader music industry is undeniable, and he continues to shape the genre with every new project. Kendrick Lamar's journey is a testament to resilience, talent, and purpose. From the streets of Compton to the global stage, he has defied expectations, using his music to inspire, educate, and challenge societal norms. His story proves that success is not just about wealth and fame, it's about impact. Kendrick Lamar is not just a rapper, he is a cultural icon, a storyteller, and a revolutionary artist. If you found Kendrick Lamar's journey inspiring, hit the like button and comment your favorite song of his. And don't forget to subscribe for more incredible stories of legendary artists.